What's up guys, I wanted to share this screwdriver kit made by Media with you. I really love it. I have been using it for almost 3 years now, and it is made to open devices like mobile phones, laptops, very sophisticated and not sophisticated, like delicate devices. It is made of, I think, titanium or aluminium, I'm not sure, but the metal, this is metal, and it feels and looks really good, and over a very minimalistic all-round design, you can see. And if you press it from here, it comes out, and we have all kinds of screws which are magnetically here. If you do it like this, they will not fall down. See, that's because magnet is keeping them attached to the case. Let's bring out the main handle, which where all the screws will go. So let's bring out this one, which is the most used one. There is a magnet here which is holds it firmly, so if you do it like this, nothing happens. See, it does not fall. This part is rotatable, so it does not scratch on your skin. Not sure what's the name of this part of skin, palm or what. So you have all kinds of unique and weird screwdrivers heads, like this one or this one. So you open MacBook, you open an iPhone, or whatever you want to open, you can easily do that. Or this one, very tiny and small one. See, so you can open all kinds of screws with it. These screwdriver heads are enough to open most of devices. I use them to open to change the battery of my mobile phones, even smartphones, or even MacBooks. So I really like them. I have kept it in my bag, and I found it really useful. For example, recently I had to open up this one because I put the SD card in a wrong hole and it went inside it, so I had to open it up. And because I had this one, I easily opened it up, and it's really fast, by the way. And it has magnetic heads, so it easily brings out the screws like this. See, I really love this. I wanted to share it with you guys as well. So let me know what you think of it. I found it a must-have for anyone who is in tech or wants to open his own devices, repair them, or at least change their batteries without paying very high amounts of money to repair this guy for just changing batteries. And once you're done, just put it back and you're done. Let me know what you think of it. Take great care of yourself. Bye.